Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to make homemade KFC coleslaw with a twist. It's delicious with less mayonnaise but extra flavor. All the vegetables have been washed and cleaned. For the ingredients I have 400 grams of white cabbage shredded, 150 grams of purple cabbage shredded, 100 grams of carrot shredded, half of yellow onion sliced, 150 grams of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and half tablespoon of lemon juice. First, prepare the coleslaw sauce. In the mixing bowl, add in mayonnaise, sugar, salt, pepper, olive oil, and lemon juice. Whisk until creamy. Give it a taste. The lemon juice enhances the sourness of mayonnaise, which contrasts nicely with sugar. Put it aside. In a larger mixing bowl, add in white cabbage, carrot, purple cabbage, and onions. Toss the vegetable to spread the color contrast. Next, add in all the sauce. Scraping every last bit. Toss the vegetables until the sauce is truly mixed. At this point, the coleslaw may look like there is too much, but the volume will reduce over time as the vegetable release water. Coleslaw when freshly prepared, it's a bit too hard to eat. So now, we will put the coleslaw in a container with lid. Cover the lid and place it in the fridge for minimum 2 hours. After 2 hours, take the coleslaw out from the fridge. Open the lid. The vegetables have released some of its liquid. At the bottom of the container, just give the chilled coleslaw a toss to coat it with the delicious sauce. Now the coleslaw is nice, cold and crunchy, and it's not too hard to eat. Now we can dish out and serve. Let's give it a taste. Wow, delicious. The vegetables are so crunchy and not too firm. The sauce has perfectly blend of sourness and sweetness with a nice fragrance of the olive oil. I love it. Thank you for watching. If you have tried it, please let me know how it turns out. And please subscribe to be notified on my next recipe. Thank you and bye-bye.